Hi children, 10th class. We will read the 5th part of the 3rd unit, A reading the journey. Now the narrator was thinking, is it not good to make my father to carry my luggage? At the same time he was thinking, it is not good for me also to carry luggage because I am a so educated person and white collar job person. If you carry the luggage, my father and my villages and the whole world would laugh at me if I do physical labor. He was going on thinking like that. Is it good or bad to make his father to carry his luggage? Next. See, father had provided for my education. Who gave money for his education? His father. So his father made him to study. And I have been able to realize his dreams. Whose dreams? His father's dreams. His father's dreams. What were his father's dreams? To make his son a good educated person. Did he make him? Yes, he made him. Did the narrator made true his dreams? Yes. So, తండ్రి I had been able to realize his dreams. మా నాన్న కలలను గుర్తించాను. ఏం కళలు అవి? విద్యావంతులు కావాలి, నన్ను విద్యావంతులు చేయాలన్న కళలను గుర్తించాను. మై పేరెంట్స్ వేర్ ట్రూలీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ మీ. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మీ దే షుడ్ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్. నన్ను చూసి వాళ్ళు గర్వపడాలి. మై పేరెంట్స్ వేర్ ట్రూలీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ మీ బికాస్ according to their will and wish, according to their dreams, I became an educated person. Even I also became white collar job person. So they should proud of me. They should proud of me. నన్ను చూసి వాళ్ళు గర్వపడాలి అంత ఉన్నతిలో ఉన్నందుకు. It was though me that they had earned greater degree of admiration and respect from the villages. See what he was thinking? It was through me that they had earned greater degree of admiration and respect from the villages. By whom they received that admiration and respect from villages? Because of the narrator. How? Because of the narrator. Why they got admiration and respect? Narrator's education, higher education, and doing job as a white collar person. Because of the development of narrator, their parents got name and fame and respect from the villages. ఈ అబ్బాయి చదువు ఇతని చదువు మూలాన, ఇతని ఉద్యోగం మూలాన డిగ్రీ పెరిగింది. ఎవరిది? గ్రేటర్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ అడ్మిరేషన్. మా అమ్మ మా నాన్నకు హోదా కలిగింది, ఒక గౌరవం. మరి మెచ్చుకున్నారు అందరూ నా మూలాన మా అమ్మ నాన్నని. బాగా చదివించారు, పిల్లాడు పెద్దవాడు అయ్యాడని. అండ్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద విలేజెస్. చదువుకున్న ఆఫీసర్ కొడుకుగా, ఆఫీసర్ తల్లిదండ్రులుగా వాళ్ళకి గౌరవం వచ్చింది గ్రామంలో. నా మూలాన మా అమ్మ నాన్నకి స్థాయి పెరిగింది, ఒక గౌరవనీయ పరిస్థితిలో ఉన్నారు, విలేజెస్తో గౌరవించబడుతున్నారు అని చెప్తున్నాడు. మై ఫాదర్ వుడ్ నాట్ లైక్ టు సీ మీ క్యారింగ్ ఏ trunk on my back. Moreover, my father could not see me carrying a trunk on my back. My father himself can't bear by seeing me carry the luggage. మా నాన్న ఒప్పుకుంటాడా నేను మోస్తే? తట్టుకోలేడు, చూడలేడు సామాను మోస్తే. And would be very hurt if I did so. I did so means carry his luggage. If I carry my luggage, my own luggage, he felt very bad. He would hurted. గాయపడతాడు మా నాన్న. అయ్యో బిడ్డ సామాను మోస్తున్నాడేంటి, చదువుకొని మా నాన్న స్వయంగా బాధపడతాడు. I concluded that it would be better to let him carry it. Him means father. So finally, what did he decide? Let it is good. My father can be carried it. Let it could be carried. Let it. మా నాన్న మోస్తేనే బాగుంటుంది, ఏం పర్వాలేదు అనే నిర్ణయానికి వచ్చేసాడు అతను. సో ఐ కంక్లూడెడ్ ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ హీ కేమ్ దట్ ఇట్ వుడ్ బి బెటర్ టు లెట్ హిమ్ క్యారీ ఇట్. ఇట్ మీన్స్ లగేజ్, చెస్ట్ ఆర్ ట్రంక్. ఫాదర్ వాజ్ used to carrying luggage anyway. Anyway, my father was a hard worker. He used to carry luggage regularly. So, no need to feel. He thought like that. మా నాన్న బరువులు మోస్తాడు, ఎప్పుడూ మోస్తాడు కదా, ఇవాళ ఏముంది, బాధపడాల్సిన పని లేదు అనుకున్నాడు. He was stronger and more skilled than I in these matters. In these matters means carrying weights, బరువులు, luggage. బరువులు మోయాలంటే who are weak, who was stronger? His father was stronger and more skilled than I. He is comparing with him. His father was so strong, he could carry the luggages, but I am so lean. Comparing my father, I am unable to carry that. So మా నాన్న బాగా బలిష్టంగా ఉంటాడు, మోర్ స్కిల్డ్ దాన్ ఐ ఇన్ దీస్ మ్యాటర్స్. బరువులు ఏమంటే నైపుణ్యంగా మా నాన్న నాకంటే బాగా మోస్తారు. ఆ దాంట్లో నైపుణ్యత ఎక్కువ ఉంది నాకంటే. నాకు అలవాట్లేదు, నేను వైట్ కాలర్ జాబ్ అన్నాను కదా అంటున్నాడు. I had never got used to physical labor, having stayed in hostels right from my childhood. See, I born in a labor family, but I never carry luggage because I was grown up in the hostels. From my childhood also, I had no habit of carrying luggage. ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు పైపెచ్చు, చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి నేను బరువులు మరి, ఎందుకంటే నేను హాస్టల్లో ఉండబట్టే ఏమో నేను ఎటువంటి శారీరక శ్రమని చేయలేదు అని చెప్తున్నాడు చిన్నతనం నుంచి. సో ఇన్ స్పైట్ ఆఫ్ మై యూత్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఐ వాజ్ ఫిజికల్లీ యూజ్లెస్. సో దో ఐ ఆమ్ యంగర్ దాన్ మై ఫాదర్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ ఫిజికల్లీ యూజ్లెస్ టు క్యారీ లగేజ్. అలవాటు లేకపోవటం వలన నేను కుర్రవాడిని అయినప్పటికి కూడా మా నాన్నగారితో పోలిస్తే ఐఎమ్ బెస్ట్ పర్సన్ టు క్యారీ లగేజ్. యూజ్లెస్, ఉపయోగం లేదు, బరువులు ఎక్కువసేపు నేను మొయ్యలేను. He was expressing his thoughts. Oh, narrator. I continued walking silently with father. So after coming to final decision, it's better to carry the luggage by his father. Then they are silently walking. Oh, they never talked with one another. They are like strangers. They are walking. They are strangers like with different languages. They are walking. We rested at two places on the way. So whenever they tired, they rested two places. When they reach the bus stop, on the way they stopped 2 times before reaching the bus stop. So we refers to whom? Narrator and his father. How many times did they had taken rest? 2 times, 2 places. And had our tiffin, but we hardly talked. His mother gave them tiffin to eat. They have their tiffin on the way, but they hardly talk with one another. వాళ్ళు అసలు మాట్లాడి ఉండకపోవచ్చు దారి పొడుగున. Finally, we reached Dirang. Now they reached Dirang bus stop. The bus from Tawang had not yet reached Dirang. The bus from Tawang had not yet reached Dirang. So from Tawang the bus did not came. So they had to wait for some more time. And so we had some time in hand. In hand means some leisure time they have, because there was no bus to go. So they had to wait. By that they have some time to talk with one another. We entered a tea shop. So to spend that time, they entered a tea shop and sat facing each other. They sat opposite to each other. Father appeared tired. He looked at his father. He seems to be tired. తండ్రికి వెళ్ళి చూస్తే బాగా అలసిపోయినట్లుగా కనిపిస్తున్నాడు. I felt sorry for him, but couldn't bring myself to say anything. Narrator felt very bad, very sorry for his father, to make him to carry his luggage, but he could not do anything. తండ్రిని చూస్తే బాధ అనిపించింది, మరి దిగులు అనిపించింది, కానీ ఏం చేయలేడు. తను మొయ్యగలను డెసిషన్ వచ్చినాక ఏమంటున్నాడు, నేను ఇంకేం చేయలేను, నేను నాన్నతో ఎలాగో ఓదార్పు మాటలు మాట్లాడలేను. I asked the waiter to get us 2 cups of tea. So he ordered 2 cups of the tea in the hotel. Just as I was going to take my first sip. Sip means when he was going to drink. మొదటిసారి సిప్ చేయటం అంటారు. కాఫీ ఫస్ట్ సారి సిప్ నోట్లో తాగడానికి ఉంటుంది సిప్పింగ్. ఫస్ట్ సిప్ when he was taking his first sip, his father asked. I heard father's voice. His father asked something to him. Do you have a pair of old shoes? Do you have a pair of old shoes? He asked his son. So he asked the narrator if he had a pair of old shoes. Why? I asked. Enduku? Question narrator. The road is uneven. So the road is uneven means it is not soft. It is not soft. గతుకులుగా ఉంది, సాఫ్ట్గా లేదు చాలా. అండ్ ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ పెబుల్స్, గులకరాళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి రోడ్డు నిండా. ఇట్ హర్ట్స్ వైల్ వాకింగ్. నా పాదాలకి నొప్పి పుడుతున్నాయి, గుచ్చుకుంటున్నాయి. ఇట్ హర్ట్స్ వైల్ వాకింగ్ అని ఆపేశారు వాళ్ళ నాన్న. I looked at father's feet. Suddenly he looked at his father's feet. తండ్రి పాదాల వైపు గబుక్కుని చూశాడు. Never having worn shoes. In his lifetime he never worn shoes. ఏ రోజు కూడా అతను చెప్పులు కానీ బూట్లు కానీ వేసుకుని ఎరగడు లైక్ జీవితంలో. His feet had developed cracks and somehow resembled those of an elephant. బాగా పగుళ్ళొచ్చి, క్రాక్స్ మీన్స్ పగుళ్ళొచ్చి ఏనుగు పాదాలలాగా ఉన్నాయి అవి మొరటుగా. I noticed this for the first time. Narrator in his lifetime first noticed the situation of his father by seeing his legs, feet. I hadn't noticed that the road was uneven because he wore shoes, hunting shoes. So he did not know the road was not even. Uneven, even, opposite. I did not have to, since I was wearing a pair of hunting shoes. So he wore a pair of hunting shoes. Why the narrator did not feel the road was uneven? Because he wore shoes. I checked my wallet. Wallet means purse. He checked his purse. Who? Narrator. And saw I still had around 40 rupees with me. How much money was there in his purse? 40 rupees. A pair of canvas shoes would cost around 12 rupees and the remaining amount would be enough for me to get to Bombay. To get to Bumdala. So, what did he think? Oh, I have 40 rupees money. If I give 12 rupees for my father to buy canvas shoes, then I will 28 rupees is enough for me to reach Bumidla. So, తన నీటి వర్క్ ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళటానికి సరిపోతాయని ఊహిస్తున్నాడు. My father protested. While I was giving the money, my father protested means అంగీకరించలేదు, వద్దని వ్యతిరేకించాడు. Protested. Give me an old pair. No, I don't want new pair. I don't want to buy new one. If you have new pair, old pair, give me that. Give me an old pair. You don't have to spend money on them. You don't have money on new shoes. I could not convince him to buy a new pair. So father said, keep the money with you. You need not buy new ones. If you have old ones, please give me. Who asked his father? Did he convince his father? Narrator? No, he could not convince to take the money. So to buy new pairs, the narrator could not convince his father. His father protested to buy new pair. Reluctantly, I gave him the hunting shoes. Reluctantly, immediately, he gave his shoes, which he walked on the hilly region. ఆ కొండ ప్రాంతాలు తను నడిచి వచ్చిన హంటింగ్ షూస్ని తీసిచ్చాడు ఇమీడియట్గా. తను వేసుకున్న చెప్పుల్ని బుట్లని తీసిచ్చేశాడు. I then took out of my pair of leather shoes from the trunk. Now he wore leather shoes. He he had taken them from his trunk. తన ట్రంక్లో ఉన్న లెదర్ షూస్ని వేసుకున్నాడు. And noticed my father's face lightening up with contentment. Samtrupti. My father's face was very shining, very happy, seems to be very happy by seeing this hunting shoes. So my father's face seems to be with satisfaction. మా నాన్న మొహంలో సంతృప్తిని చూశాను నేను వెంటనే. Suddenly he looked at me and said, "Take care, write to us." So he looked at his son and said, "Take care, write letter to us." As refers to whom? Parents of narrator. Father wanted to say something, but the bus started moving. I got down to the bus. My father wanted to say something, but the bus was started moving. తండ్రి ఏదో చెప్పాలి అనుకున్నాడు, కానీ బస్ కదిలిపోతుంది. I saw my father gradually receding into the distance. మా నాన్న క్రమక్రమంగా దూరం పెరుగుతూ ఉంది. మా నాన్న ప్రతిబింబం మా నాన్నకి కనుచూపు మేరలో దూరం అయిపోతున్నాడు. నాకు చూస్తున్నాను నాన్న అలాగే. Receding in distance, దూరం అయిపోయాను, బస్సు కదిలిపోతూ ఉంది. I saw that the road we had come by looked like a giant. Suddenly I saw at the road that we had come. వాళ్ళు వచ్చిన దారి ఒక్కసారి దృష్టి మళ్ళించాడు. ఇట్ సీమ్స్ టు బి లైక్ ఎ జైంట్. ఒక రాక్షస పర్వతం లాగా కనిపించింది అది. మోషన్లెస్, కదలిక లేని ఒక రాక్షసులాగా కనిపించింది. అంటే అంత భయానకంగా ఉంది దారి. సో giant motionless rope. Father would use the same road to go back home. Poor father, he has to go same road. మా నాన్న అదే కష్టమైన రోడ్లో ఇప్పుడు తిరిగి మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళాలి. కష్టమైన రోడ్లో వచ్చి నన్ను వదిలిపెట్టాడు, తిరిగి మళ్ళీ అదే రూట్లో మా నాన్న వెళ్ళాలి. Father would use the same road to go back home. Simultaneously, our journey started in two opposite directions, with me seated in luxurious seat of bus and father walking back with weary legs on pebble-strewn roads. Mind this, weary legs. Now his legs are with the hunting shoes anamata. So he showed the way. See how direction. The way a bus is very straight, neat, but the way the father has to go, this giant motionless rope, he had to travel again that miserable or problematic way. But his road is very straight. See, the road is very straight. The father's travels road is very difficult. So two directions are different. This road his father has to go. This road the narrator was going. It is so smooth. It's nice to travel. But this road is very difficult to travel. Hilly road. Okay, children? So directions are opposite. Their lives are also different. His son's life is comfortable, luxurious life, whereas his father's life is hard working. So journeys are also different. So the lesson name journey is suitable here. The lesson name journey is suitable for the lesson. Journey. One writer's journey, narrator's journey is so happy, whereas his father's journey is quite opposite. So problematic way. Okay. Estos Darji Tongi. You learn about him now. Okay, children. Thank you.